Hello everyone, my name is Mukul Sharma.
I am Srishti.
I am Raj.
I am Rashi Bhardwaj.
I am Ishika, student of Diploma in Hotel Management.
This college has helped me become the better version of myself by making me realize my potential.
I have learned a lot, not just academically, but in all other aspects of career development.
My experience here has been wonderful so far. It's been a year since I joined the college and I have learned a lot.
I was always an introvert being, unable to socialize, but the faculties here gave me an intellectual push by highlighting my abilities.
The creatively stimulating environment here buoys up students to create magic.
This college helped me to grow personally as well as professionally.
I'll always be grateful for this beautiful phase of my career in this college.
Coming here is the best decision of my life.
It's my pleasure to be a part of AAFT.
I believe it is definitely proved to be a stepping stone in my career.